Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract everything they want like effortlessly? Today we are exploring the fascinating world of law of attraction and discovering how it can transform your life. So, what exactly is law of attraction? So, law of attraction is a very powerful philosophy that suggests that positive thoughts bring positive results into our lives. It's based on the idea that everything in this universe is made up of energy and vibrates at a certain frequency. So, when you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you attract positive experience and outcomes. Same as you are vibrating at my frequency right now as you're watching my video. Yes, so let's break it down into few more key concepts. So first of all, it's always said that thoughts become reality or thoughts become things. This is a statement I live by. This means that what you think about consistently will manifest in your reality. It means simply whatever you're repeatedly telling yourself gets imprinted in your mind and you start acting accordingly, giving a scientific explanation. But in law of attraction, you attract it. Okay, for example, if you constantly think about financial success, you start acting accordingly and you will start to notice opportunities for making money. On the other hand, if you dwell on lack or debt, then you will attract more of financial problems. Second thing is vibration and frequency. Everything, including your thoughts, your feelings, vibrate at a certain frequency. By maintaining a high vibration through positive thoughts and emotions, you attract similar high frequency experiences in your life. Imagine you are tuning on to a radio station. If you want to listen to a particular station, you have to set the radio to the correct frequency. Similarly, you need to align your vibrations with the frequency of what you desire in your life. Third is visualization and affirmation. Visualization involves creating mental image of what you want to achieve. Spend a few minutes daily visualizing your goals as if they are already happening. For example, if you want a new job, visualize yourself working in your dream position, interacting with your colleagues, and enjoying the work environment. On the other hand, affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs. For example, I have this blank sheet of paper. On this, something negative is written. For example, this is your mind. This sheet is your mind. And you start writing something positive on this. On that specific word negative, you start writing something positive. On top of that, after a while, you will notice the positive thing is getting bolder and bolder. And negative things you can barely read. This is how our mind is reprogrammed. Repeating affirmations daily help you reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, I say, I am attracting abundance in my life, or I'm confident and capable of achieving my dreams. It means that you are repeatedly telling your mind something that you want to reprogram here. This is how we learned A for apple and B for ball. Both is your emotions and belief. It's not enough to just think positively. You need to feel emotions as if your desire has already been fulfilled. Truly believing in your goals and feeling grateful for them as if they are already yours is crucial. For example, if you're trying to attract love, feel the happiness, feel the excitement of being in a loving relationship. So there you have it. The law of attraction is all about aligning your thoughts, your emotions, your actions with your desires. And these techniques, what I shared, is not in details in this video because this is not possible to tell in this video right now. But surely you can book your call with me. The link is given in the description below and watch your life transform. Remember, it takes time and consistent efforts, but the results are worth it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'd love to hear from you what you are manifesting in your life. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.